Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you people would be doing good, studying hard, and working good for yourself and for your people around there. This is a second video about the free radicals, in which I am going to explain the formation of free radicals. There are numerous ways through which the free radicals are usually formed in our body and in the environment. We will discuss some of the most important ones. Method of preparation of free radicals. Usually there are three method of preparation. General method. Okay, I am not going into the much detail and much description. However, I am just telling you the major reactions in which the free radical is usually formed as a intermediate. Usually free radicals are very important intermediate that are formed during a reaction. Number one is photochemical reaction. Name is indicating that light will be present in this reaction and will be playing some vital role. Second is thermal fission, which is indicating that heat will be used. And the third is oxidation reduction reaction, in which reduction and oxidation procedures just shift the electron from one part to another. So let's just check the first method, which is photochemical reaction. First of all, you have to understand that photochemical reaction is the one in which the light is used, and light is used in the form of energy packets or energy bundles that are called photons. Okay, light usually exists in the form of photons. Now you know that light can behave as wave particle nature, duality nature, you have learned, must have. So basically here the light is used in the form of energy packets, and those energy packets or the photons are, when absorbed by the electron by the atom, they call the lysis or the fission, and that is the fission of homolytical fission, in which the both part of bonded atoms are getting one electron each. So just check the example. This is a diphenyl ketone. Diphenyl means two phenol group are added to ketonic part. So this is called as, what is it's called as, this is called diphenyl ketone. It is going to create some differences in the amount of electrons it is having. So one electron will be shifted to this side, one electron will be shifted to this carbon. Okay, so the product that will be generated, that will be an intermediate, that would be biradical. This is called as biradical because it contains two radicals within one molecule. Definitely this kind of free radical is called that it is a biradical. So this biradical will be definitely very reactive and will go to form further reaction, and the last product will be an alcohol, that will be benzpinacol. This is pinacol rearrangement reaction, very important one. We will discuss some later. However, my motive was to tell you that because of the photochemical reaction, biradical are usually formed, and here what example is given is diphenyl ketone. Okay, so I hope the point is clear. If you are having any confusion in it, you have to ask me in the comment section. Second is thermal method. Thermal method is the one which is usually carried out by organometallic initiators. The organometallic initiators are the one that carry the organic part and some metallic part, where M indicate any metal. Okay, so here CM bond has very low bond dissociation energy and are easily homolyzed into radicals. You have to remember that fission should always be in the homolysis, so that the both of the product will get one free radical each. Okay, so this bond, to break, let me zoom it, to break this bond, it is not so much difficult. You have to just lysis this bond, lysis this bond will be broken, and this. So for overall four methyl radical will be generated, and the lead will be generated or separated. So the heat will be needed to break all the lead bonds with methyl group, and that will generate four free radicals. This is a very important reaction because of this is indicating that Grignard, to form Grignard reagent, the free radical mechanism is usually followed. This is an example of reaction. However, this is not about the formation of free radicals. This was about the formation of free radicals. So thermal or organometallic initiators are the one that use the heat to generate the free radicals, and these free radicals are so highly reactive that they will form further compounds in the journey. Okay, so this was the second method. And you have to remember that free radicals are always generated during the reaction mechanism. So they are termed as, mostly they are termed as intermediate, because they are so highly unstable. They are so highly unstable that they are produced for some momentary time and they will react with the other one to form more. Okay, so this is oxidation reduction reaction. I have already explained it in the alkanes preparation reaction. If you have not seen, just see the video. Here what is happening here, it is the broken part, which is I use RCOOONS. We took sodium salt of acetic acid when we were doing the preparation, so we just broke out that bond, and as a result this was generated. When this was generated, the electron density got shifted out, that one electron oxidation. At that position, this R got one electron homolytically fission, and that one electron is lost. Okay, so one electron was lost. When one electron was lost, so here instead of that negative charge, a free radical was generated. Okay, so one electron is deficient at this oxygen spot. This oxygen is not having so much electron density now, this is having somewhat deficiency. So this free radical will be generated inside to make a bond, and as a result this carbon dioxide will be removed out, and this R will be generated as a free radical that will react further with any other R group to generate an alkane. Okay, so this was very important and very easy because you have already learned about the preparation of alkanes as well. So these were the few methods that were used to generate the free radical as an intermediate. Stay tuned to the channel and to this video part, because next I'm going to discuss about the reactions of free radicals. So subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.